I'm going to show you how to list multiples of numbers, and the reason that I'm doing this is to help my students who are working with fractions, because this helps you find common denominators when you're adding or subtracting fractions. So let's say that I need to list the multiples of the number 3. This basically just means that we're skip counting by 3. So we would say 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and for the sake of running out of room, I'm going to stop at 27. This also means that I'm saying 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, and so on. So these are the multiples of 3. And so let's say that I have the multiples of 5. I'm counting by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So this is the same as saying 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 3 is 15, 5 times 4 is 20. Now the reason why this helps me with my fractions is maybe I have 1/3 plus 1/5. I can't add these fractions together until I have a common denominator. And so listing my multiples helps me find my common denominator. My least common multiple, the multiple that I run into first, is 15. These two numbers have 15 in common. So I can change my denominator to 15. So how did I get from 3 to 15? I multiplied by 5. If I can't remember that, I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I multiplied by 5. So I have to do that to the top too. 1 times 5 is 5. How did I get this 5 to change to 15? I multiplied by 3. So I have to do that to the top. 1 times 3 is 3. So my new numerator is 3. So my denominators now match and my numerators are changed. So if I add across the top, I get 8 and 15 stays my denominator. So my answer is 8/15. This can't be reduced because there's nothing that 8 and 15 have in common.